California is facing yet another crisis, but this time, it's not just the wildfires, it's the fire hydrants running out of water. Let's dive into what's going on and why this is a big deal. Recent wildfires in Los Angeles have pushed the city's water infrastructure to its breaking point. Reports reveal that in areas like the Pacific Palisades, up to 20% of fire hydrants ran dry during the height of the fires. Imagine being a firefighter on the front lines of a raging blaze, only to find your lifeline has run out. One major factor: the Santa Ynez Reservoir, a 117 million-gallon water source, was completely drained for maintenance to repair a tear in its cover. And guess what? However, it was scheduled to resume operations in February 2025. Timing couldn't have been worse. With the reservoir out of commission, the public water system was overwhelmed, facing 4 times its usual demand. This left water tanks dry and reduced pressure in elevated areas where hydrants simply couldn't keep up. Add to this the rapid spread of the fires, which made it nearly impossible to access pump stations that could have provided extra water. The result? Firefighters were left scrambling to save lives and property with limited resources. In response, Governor Gavin Newsom has launched an investigation into these failures. But the big question is, can California fix its water infrastructure before the next disaster hits? This is more than just a water issue. It's a wake-up call for infrastructure planning in fire-prone regions. Our firefighters risk everything to protect us. The least we can do is ensure they have the tools they need. What do you think? Is this a case of poor planning? Or is California facing a problem too big to solve? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.